simple program we're going to do is we're going to track our players and how they move. And so one of the things we want to do is be able to identify the coordinates of where our character is in the Minecraft world. And this is going to prove helpful in some future programming challenges and things that we're going to want to do in our Python programming with Minecraft. And so I'm going to kick it old school here, and I'm going to draw a cube here. As you know, Minecraft is a world based on the cube. And it's a 1 meter cube. So everything is scaled out to 1 meter. As you probably already know, all you Minecraft junkies, you know that already. But just bear with me for a minute. So there's your 1 meter cube, right? Now, when we go to do the coordinates, the way the game works is everything is built into a coordinate plane. We've got X, Y, and Z as we move up and down and back and forth. And so if this is our cube, okay, as our character moves to the west, okay, our X coordinate gets smaller. As our cube or our character moves to the east, our X goes up. Okay? Now, when we head down, we start digging, or we head, as we start heading down, our Y goes down, and when we move up into the air, okay, our Y goes up. Now, where this gets a little bit complicated, as we move north on the map, all right, our Z coordinate goes down, and as we move south, our Z coordinate goes up. And so as you start to kind of figure these things out, that's how it keeps track of you. So don't get caught in terms of thinking everything plays really like linear that way. What it does is it follows by these movements here. And so everything's a 1 meter cube in the world, as you know, outside of water and lava. But the rest are pretty good. So this is just a 3D coordinate system that the world uses, and you can go in and check out more information about the coordinates if you want to. It's really pretty fascinating. So you can't get caught up in thinking that you're moving left or right. It all depends on where you're facing in the world. And so it's all about the compass. And we're going to do some stuff with the compass for some other future projects, which are going to be pretty awesome. And so just remember that X gets bigger as you go east, smaller as you head west. Y gets bigger up in the sky, smaller into the ground, and Z gets bigger as you head south, but smaller as you head north. So now let's jump in there and show how to show our player's position in Minecraft. Okay, so here's a really simple way to show your player's position of where they are in Minecraft. We got our shell. We're going to go to New File. We're going to come over here to our Untitled. So we're going to go ahead here, go to File, Save As. And let's just call this, you can name it whatever. If you do the book, Adventures in Minecraft, they tell you to call it Where Am I? I'm going to call it Location Easy. All right. And so what we're going to do is we're going to import our Minecraft Pi, Minecraft as we always do. All right, then we have to tell it that MC is equal to Minecraft. Make sure your spelling is correct. Create. Now we're communicating back and forth. And now we're going to ask the Minecraft game for the position of the player by using the get tile position. And so this is allows us to use this function to get the coordinates. And so we're going to go position is equal to MC the player, and then get tile position. So now we have the position, but now we got to print it out. So we're going to use the function print like we did in our previous tutorial, and we can go position X, print position Y, and then print position Z. And what we're going to receive then, but when we save this, we go ahead and save, and then we're going to run it, and let's see what happens over here in the Minecraft screen. Zoom in out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the run on my Python code. I'm going to go back to the game, and nothing. Why is that? That's right, because we just did simple print, and it did what we wanted it to do, and it printed our coordinates over here in Python, because we didn't say post to chat. So there's a really simple way to code, but we didn't communicate for it to go over there into the Minecraft world. And so we can dig into this now, and we can do some other things here. And so if we go back and look at our code, let me get out of Minecraft here. You can see what we've done. We have created variables. This position.x is a variable, and so is position y and position z. And so a variable, as in the book Adventure of the Minecraft State, it's just a name for a location in computer's memory. When we wanted this tile position, it stored all these files, and so we pulled these variables out, and then we printed the statement. And so we wanted the statement of this variable, position x. And so that's exactly what we got. So this right here has three compartments here. This get tile position is a variable that stored x, y, and z, and we just pulled it all out. And so how do we clean this up? Let's make this look a little bit nicer, and let's jump into another way of doing it.